Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. Today we're making one of my favorite sides to eat no matter what time of the year. We're making some yummy potato salad. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's whip it up. Alright guys, so let's get started. I have my potatoes here. I'm using Russet. You can use whatever potatoes you prefer. I've already washed them off, so I'm just going to peel them and place them in water to prevent them from browning. Alright, now that I peeled them all, I'm going to cut them into medium-sized chunks. Now, if you want your chunks to be bigger or smaller, you certainly can cut them that way. It's your kitchen. Do whatever you want. Now that we cut our potatoes into chunks, we're ready to boil them. So I'm going to throw these babies right into my pot, lightly salt the water, and allow them to boil for about 8 to 12 minutes or until they're fork tender. Alright, while our potatoes are cooking, we're going to go ahead and boil our eggs. So I have 3 eggs here. You can use however many you want. We're going to let these babies boil for about 12 to 14 minutes. Alright guys, so now we're going to switch back over to our taters. This is 15 minutes later. So now I'm going to take a fork and just pierce one just to see if there's any resistance or if they fall right apart. As you can see, it falls apart, so we know they are done. Now we're ready to drain the water from them, and then we're going to run some cool water over them just to stop the cooking process. Now we're going to place our potatoes in a bowl and refrigerate them for about 20 to 30 minutes to cool them down. In the meantime, we're going to work on our dressing. Alright guys, so I'm going to keep it simple and traditional. So in my bowl, I'm going to add in some mayo, mustard, sweet salad cubes, yellow onions, granulated sugar, paprika for color. You know we got to season it up a bit, so I'm using my all-purpose seasoning, of course. And we're going to mix it all together to combine. Now that everything's combined, we're ready to add in our boiled eggs. So as you can see, I've already chopped them up, so we're just going to gently fold them in. Now we're going to give our dressing a good taste test and adjust it to our liking. Add in more sugar if needed, onions, seasoning, whatever you feel it needs, and then we'll be ready to add in our potatoes. Alright guys, so now we're going to gently fold in our cooled potatoes. We're going to give them a good toss to make sure they're all evenly coated with that dressing. Yeah. Give it a good stir. We're going to taste it again to see if we need to add more of our ingredients. So here I'm going in with a little more mayo and mustard, more sweet salad cubes, and whatever else we need. now we have it looking nice and yummy. We're going to cover it with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for about an hour until it's nice and cold or until we're ready to eat it, and then we'll be ready to plate up. No. Now that we have it bowled up nicely, we're going to sprinkle on some paprika for a pop of color, of course. Garnish it with a fresh parsley leaf and we'll be ready to eat. Serve this delicious potato salad at your next family gathering or Sunday dinner and you will not be disappointed. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe, follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.